Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a second TikTok account. So let's get started. Launch TikTok. We have two ways. First way, when you on your profile. So we should open profile, tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. And here in very top you will see your main account. Tap on this, your main login account. You will see add account. And second way, tap on three lines at the top right corner, then tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down, in very bottom you will see switch account. Tap on switch account and tap on add account. Now we should tap on login, and here you can select where you create your second account, for example on Google, on Twitter, on Instagram, or on Apple. So I use only username and login. That means I tap on use phone, email or username. Then tap on use email and username, because I enter my login and password. Just tap on login. As you can see here, I can switch to my two different accounts on TikTok. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.